Welcome to the training video on how to use the fair value calculator developed by Stock Finance Pro, designed to simplify your investment decisions, all within Google Sheets. Get started by going to the Google Workspace Marketplace. Search for Stock Finance Pro and install the add-on. Please note that this application works exclusively with Google Sheets. You can use it with either an existing spreadsheet or a new one. Setting up your account is a breeze. Follow and complete the installation process by approving the necessary access to your spreadsheets. Once you have installed the add-on, click the Extensions menu tab on your Google Sheets. Click on Stock Finance Pro, select My Account, and choose from one of our subscription plans, which can be canceled anytime. You can start with our free trial plan, which provides limited access. You need your credit card details to activate a paid subscription. Close the pop-up and refresh your browser. To begin your analysis, choose Calculate Fair Value from the Extensions menu. A pop-up will appear for you to enter the company's ticker symbol. Wondering what a ticker symbol is? A ticker symbol is a unique series of characters assigned to a publicly traded company. For example, NVDA for NVIDIA, GOOG for Google's Alphabet Incorporated, or MSFT for Microsoft Corporation. It's how the stock market identifies and tracks the financial performance of companies. Returning to our spreadsheet, click OK once you enter your ticker symbol. Please wait a few seconds for the system to retrieve the financial data and calculate the fair value. Using financial metrics and analysts' expectations, we use multiple valuation models to provide a potential fair value for the company. It is highly recommended that you adjust critical metrics such as the growth rate and margin of safety to fit your investment strategy. Once adjusted, click Recalculate to get a new fair value matching your thesis. Our solution is designed to help streamline analysis with your investment perspective on the company's future growth. Navigate to the cells highlighted in a light blue color. You can modify the values on these light blue cells to align with your assumptions. For example, if you believe the company will grow faster than the industry average than analysts forecasting, adjust the growth rate percentage accordingly. Knowing the fair value of a stock before buying shares is crucial to avoid overpaying and maximizing potential returns. Take the guesswork out of stock market investments and confidently select the right companies to invest in. And that's it. You've now learned how to use the fair value calculator from Stock Finance Pro to enhance your investment strategy. Whether you're a seasoned investor or new to the stock market, our tool is designed to empower your financial analysis with accuracy. Thank you for watching. Follow us on social media for stock market training materials. Dive into the world of informed investing with Stock Finance Pro.